Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit a yarn over. The yarn over is probably the easiest knitting increase and you can produce beautiful eyelets with it. And most brioche stitches, like this one, also require a yarn over. I'll be showing you how to yarn over knitwise and purlwise. Both are incredibly easy to knit, so let's dive right into it. We'll start with a yarn over knitwise. A yarn over counts as an increase. So whenever you knit a yarn over, you increase the stitch count on your needle by 1. As a result, and you can see this here, your fabric will get wider. If you are in a knit row, like here, you will have to knit yarn over knitwise. So hold the yarn as if to knit, so the yarn is in the back. See? The yarn is in the back. Now simply wrap the yarn around your right needle counterclockwise, like this. That's your yarn over. Secure the yarn with your index finger and knit the next stitch as usual. And here is your first yarn over on your right needle. Let's do it one more time. Wrap the yarn around your right needle counterclockwise. Secure the yarn with your index finger and knit. And that's it. Here's your second yarn over. Some patterns require you to yarn over twice. That's exactly the same technique, but instead of wrapping it around your needle once, you do it twice. So once, twice. And then you have to knit again. And as you can see, you will have 2 loops, extra loops around your needle, and that's a double yarn over. So what happens if you are in a purl row? Well, then you have to yarn over purlwise. Hold the yarn as if to purl, so the yarn is in front. Now wrap the yarn around your right needle counterclockwise and purl the next stitch. And here is your yarn over. Let's do it one more time. Wrap the yarn around your needle counterclockwise, secure it so it doesn't fall off, and purl. And here is your next yarn over. It's really that simple. So one last time, wrap the yarn around your needle counterclockwise, secure it, purl. I promised you it's the easiest increase, right? The only thing you have to remember is that you have to wrap it around counterclockwise. So the loop, and you can see it here, the loop will lie on your needle like a regular stitch. So it goes from back to front and from left to right. One last thing, on the return row, you can knit or purl in this case all yarn overs like a regular stitch. So this is our yarn over here that we created in the knit row, and I'm purling it like all the other stitches in the row. Here is another little yarn over, and if you want to close the eyelet a bit, then you can knit or purl in this case, purl it through the back loop like this, and this will close the eyelet. Let me show you. Here is the eyelet I purled, and this is the eyelet I purled through the back loop, and as you can see, it almost vanished. So that's it. That's how you knit the yarn over. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. And see you in the next video. Happy knitting!